The value of this we need to find. These are the options. So what to do? To make it easy, let's take A equal to this one. No, only the angle theta by 2 to the power n. Okay, that means if you multiply 2 on both sides, which means if you take 2 down, so that means 2a. Again, if you multiply by 2, that will be 2 theta by 2 to the power n minus 1, which will mean theta by 2 to the power n minus 2. So what we got? Theta by 2 to the power n means a. Theta by 2 to the power n minus 1 equal to 2a. Theta by 2 to the power n minus 2 equal to 4a, and so on. Now write this expression in terms of a. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity. Numerator is tan a and denominator is cos 2a. See this one, cos 2a. And there is 2 to the power n minus 1. Now let's start. Summation tan means we know sine over cos. Sine a over cos a. There is cos 2a. And this 2 to the power n minus 1 is over here. Now we know 2 sine a cos a means sine 2a, correct? So if you write here sine a, we have to write over here sine a. That means sine square. And to get this formula you need 2. Okay, so in the next step, 2 to the power n minus 1, this is sine square a, this is sine a cos a, cos 2a. Now write 1 2 over here, 1 2 over here. Summation n to infinity. 2 sine square means you can write 1 minus cos 2a, double angle formula, and this becomes sine 2a. Already there was cos 2a. Now what you can do, you can split this by this by this. Now what to do? Summation 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1, 1 by this and cos 2a by this. Minus and to get a formula you can write 1 2 over here. You are multiplying 2 in numerator denominator. These two got cut. Two by sine 4a, right? Why? Because we know 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta, means double of theta. So 2 sine 2a into cos 2a, that means sine of 4a. 2a, 2a, then there will be 4a, double. So over here this is 4a, 1 by sine 2a. Now multiply these two inside. 2 by, okay, minus, this will go inside, sine 2a. Now after this step, put a. What was a? A was theta by 2 to the power n. 2a means theta by 2 to the power n minus 1. 4a means theta by 2 to the power n minus 2. Okay. So this one will be summation of n take 2 over here, 2 to the power n minus 2, sine 4a. 4a means this one, minus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 into sine 2a. 2a means this one, n equal to 1 to infinity. So now what to do? Summation of this and summation of this. Okay, now if you put n equal to 1, 2, 3 like this, so this will be 1 by 2 to the power 1 minus 2 means minus 1 sine theta, then 2 to the power minus 1 minus, for this 2 to the power 1 minus 1 0 sine theta by 2 to the power 0, new plus, because there is summation sign. Now put n equal to 2. N equal to 1 is done for this. Now n equal to 2. So 1 by 2 to the power 2 minus 2 means 0 sine theta by 2 to the power 0 minus 1 by, for this one 2 minus 1 means 2 sine theta by 2. N equal to 2 is done. Now for n equal to 3, this one will be 1 by 2 to the power 3 minus 2 means 1 sine theta by 2 minus, for this one 1 by 2 to the power 2 sine of theta by, same thing, 3 minus 1 means 2, so you can write 4. So this way it will continue. And what about the last term? Last term is this one. So 1 by 2 to the power n minus 2, just write the same thing, minus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 sine of theta to the power n minus 1. Okay, let's simplify it. 1 by, so it becomes, these two will go up, these two will go up, so 2 by sine 2 theta, these two will go up, so 2 by sine 2 theta minus 1 by sine theta, so 1 by sine theta. Now see for this one, plus 1 by sine theta, this one minus 1 by 2 sine theta by 2, and this one is plus 1 by 2 sine theta by 2 minus 1/4 sine theta by 4. This way it will continue, and write these two terms. minus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 sine of this much. Now very interesting, these are getting cut, right? So this way each minus is being cancelled by next plus. So this plus, sorry, out of this plus will also get cancelled by its previous minus, because after this series will continue. So which are left? This first and last. So 2 by sine 2 theta minus this one. Now what to do for this? Remember, you had given n tends to infinity. That means 2 to the power n tends to infinity. 2 to the power n minus 1 tends to infinity. 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 tends to 1 by infinity, tends to 0. That means theta by 2 to the n minus 1 tends to 0. So take one thing, take this one as y. So if you write this one as y, let y equal to theta by this one. So as n tends to infinity, theta by infinity, so y tends to 0. This one will also tend to infinity, and anything by infinity means 0. So y tends to 0. So in place of this, you can write limit of y tends to 0. And one thing, see, to get this form, you write theta in numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator, so that it becomes y. So y, and it becomes sine y, and there is 1 by theta left, correct? Okay, so this becomes 1 by limit property, and there will be 1 by theta left. So see, after this, 2 by sine 2 theta minus, you can write this 1 by limit of y tends to 0 sine y by 1, which will be 1 by limit formula. So 2 by sine 2 theta minus 1 by theta, because this one is 1. So I think option 2 by sine 2 theta minus 1, the option is D. Option D will be answer.